What is Iman? Iman means faith. Iman means to be lived in the heart, to confess with the tongue, and to act with our part of bodies. Can there be any variation in Iman? Yes. By how? By words and the deed. The Iman will increase by some words and the deeds, and it may also decrease by some words and the deed. What do you mean by increase or decrease in Iman? Iman, faith increases by the obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and doing good deeds, and it will decreases by committing sin and doing the evil acts. What are the pillar of Iman? There are 6. The pillar of Iman, the faith of Iman, faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, faith in the angels, faith in the messengers, faith in all his books, faith in the last day, and the faith in the divine preordainments of good and the bad. Thank you.